Hey yo, what's up y'all? It's Lyfe with an episode of my life. Make sure you like and subscribe right down on the bottom. Comment, let me know if you like my videos, how you feel about my content, or just show love. No matter either way. As you can see, I'm going to do the unboxing of the ManBox. The ManBox. Yeah, but today we're going to unbox the ManBox. Let's get it started. Alright, disclaimer, first of all, I don't want to write to any music, but yeah, with the instructions to start a fire. For all my arsons, like playing with fire, this is the perfect guide to show you what you're about to get into. First, we got, boom, we got the military compass. This joint actually alright, it's high. If I knew how to use a compass, I think I would like it a lot more, but I don't really know how to use one, so it is what it is. But this right here, this line, I was looking at the instructions, and this line right here, if you put it on a location, a landmark, not a location, so it gotta be like something crazy like the Empire State Building or something like that. But if you put it on a landmark and line it up right, it'll show you exactly the location of that landmark. So that's what I actually like about this compass. If y'all can actually see, like I want y'all to get like a visual of it. See inside the... It's a magnifier on it, so you can see better. But yeah, this joint art. This joint art. I'll rate this from a 1 to 10. I'll rate this a nice little 5 on the scale of what I like from it. What we got? What we got? Let me see. What we got? What we got? Yeah. You're like, what is this? Is it a shield?
Really, nigga?
It's not a shield. It's not a shield. Boom. Bam. You know what I'm saying? Look. Switch it right up on them. They're like, whoa. Tighten it up. Turn to a nice little shovel. Get it right out of there. This right here, I'll rate this no, but this one right here, I'll rate this about from 1 to 10, I give this a 7. This is a nice little handy, out of nowhere type joint that you need. I'll rate this a 7. It's a nice one. Next, what we got? This right here. I like that. I actually like this because, what y'all think this is? Comment below in the comments what y'all think this is. Alright, back. Listen. This right here is actually heavy duty waterproof matches. Ha. Yeah, I know. It's crazy. It's crazy. I never ever. What you got to? This right here, you like this, it stay lit for 15 minutes. You can rain on it, spit on it, pour some water on it, you say a little other explicit things, and it's gonna be lit. I'm saying this joint is lit. I'm saying so. You go to a party, that joint not popping, light one of these and stay lit. You know what I'm saying? This coming about 25 of them, so 15 minutes a piece. That's a good little ride. Just start my YouTube, so once I really start getting my bag and printing and drawing on them, then I'm like, I'm gonna be like, we pour these out on them. Light them on fire. It's not going out. I'm getting good use out of these. Some of y'all like these, I'm low. Next. We get into the end now. I'm gonna give you what I feel like is valued out to altogether. And then I'm gonna tell y'all what the box is valued out to. So then you can know if it's a deal or a steal. Boom. Both of those sound good, but I guess. Fuck you. But listen, this right here, this is the utility knife with the holster included. I actually like this. This thing is really sharp. I poke myself with it. And when I poke myself, I start bleeding. I'm like, ah, you know. So it wasn't that crazy. I wrapped a little tissue around it. It healed up. I don't even want to demonstrate, but I'll demonstrate for you. Ready? Look. But shit, I just say I think I'm not capping. I'm not even gonna give it too much. I ain't even give it too much. That's a clean one. Y'all see what I mean. This joint here crazy. That's a good joint. Last but not least, I told you I was saving the best for last. I really like this for. I want to get a little more into this one because I want to understand it more. So when I do my thing, I can perfect it. Now, this right here, boom. It's a solar powered Helix origami nightlight. So what it is the top got the solar panels on it. Boom. As you can see, we got the button. Say press. You want to press the button? Good. Press it. It's a light, but it's solar power. So you open it up as so. Origami light. Got a hole in it right here, so the air gets in it when you open it up. Boom. Take a deep breath. Now it's good. It's sturdy. Now it's good. It's sturdy. Then sturdy Jones. Not that sturdy, but it's sturdy. This right here, I really like this. Hey. You know what I'm saying? Tell a little story. All right, here we go. Boom, boom. I got quit up. But yeah, this joint right here, light. It get brighter. And then we got the. And then this is the emergency joint, a party joint. If you want to get freaky with it, you want to get a little spicy with it. But yeah, this one right here, I like this. This is my favorite joint actually. This is one of the best ones. So I'ma really enjoy it. I'ma really. But yeah, altogether, I say this is about $100 value. I say about 20, 10, 40, 30, 20. But you get you a ManBox. ManBox. You can get all this for the low every month. So that's why I'm saying make sure y'all like, subscribe down below. Let me know how y'all feel about these things. Which ones you like, which ones you don't like. Thumbs up, likes, loves, hearts, comments. Make sure y'all subscribe though if you didn't know. If you already knew, now you know. And I'm out.